This is truly a remarkable one-off opportunity to own this amazing lifestyle property that could still provide 2 income streams if desired. The views are simply spectacular. It will be hard push to beat these. With views spanning 180 degrees, you feel like you're on top of the world. The views span Te Kapiti Island, Cook Strait, to Kaikoura's and the rest of the South Island. The farm encompasses around 33 acres, located at the gateway to the Kapiti coast above Mackay's Crossing. A permanent creek runs through the property, serving as an all-year water source for the livestock, the gardens and orchard. The farm is divided into 9 paddocks, each with its own water supply. The farm is presently utilised as an alpaca farm, but could be suitable for sheep or smaller cattle. The home was originally built in 1997 and went under major renovations in 2018. As soon as you enter the welcoming entranceway, you can see the quality that has been executed throughout. The kitchen is modern and so practical, with solid tops of engineered stone, 2 sinks, self-closing doors and drawers, Huila floors, wood burner, an extensive view from the dining area with 6 panel sliding doors that makes the perfect indoor-outdoor flow. Off the kitchen is a very sizable lounge with designer shelving, feature picture window that invites the outside in. Wood burner and French doors opening out to the entertainment area with a feature open fire. You'll be mesmerised with the huge deck, making it ideal for those wanting to entertain or just relax and take in those remarkable views. The downstairs level offers 3 double bedrooms, all with wardrobes, and access out to the entertainment area with a new bathroom. The garaging offers internal access and a large storage workshop room. There is potential to work from home or have clients in a private space ideal as an office, consulting room, access from outside to maintain family privacy. There is lots of off-street parking for friends, family or guests. The upstairs has been designed as an apartment, currently being operated as a luxury Airbnb. This space consists of a spacious lounge, master bedroom with a generous ensuite, extensive views to the South Island, perfect as a retreat, income or additional family space.